In front of me is Doogee Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on this section called Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Now choose Open under Google and click on Google Password Manager. Now select Add Password option and add it instantly, or if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. You need at least one to add them manually from here. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords is enabled. Log in to any website or any app with an account, and after entering your information, you will see Google Password Manager pop up. Hit Save at the bottom right corner of it to add your first password, and then go here to add any other one. Let's do it now. Click on Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or click on Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!